In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up smart pricing for your products using the Zenfolio Smart Pricing engine. One of the most frequent questions we hear from our photographers is how to price their products properly when selling their photos. There are all sorts of different variables that go into deciding how much you should charge for a print, or what's going to be a reasonable price for digital downloads and so on comparatively to your fellow photographers. The Zenfolio Smart Pricing engine is the answer. It was designed to help solve that problem for you and allow for e-com trends in your area to determine how much you should charge for your products to ensure that your pricing remains competitive. When it's turned on, the Zenfolio Smart Pricing engine will use a database of historical pricing information based on how other photographers in your area have priced their products in the last 12 months. The Smart Pricing engine uses this data to estimate pricing for similar products based on the following criteria: geographic location by zip code, state, and province, printing lab fees, and your photography shoot type. If enabled, when you're adding new products to a price list, the suggested selling price will be based on the smart pricing data. Even when the smart pricing engine is turned on, you're still able to manually change a product's price if you'd like, and it will override the smart pricing on that product. The logic of the smart pricing engine actually looks at your product's price and it knows when it's been manually changed and will use that information to keep evolving smart prices as time goes on with new pricing added by yourself and other photographers in your area. To enable or disable the smart pricing engine, log into your Zenfolio account and from the dashboard, click on the selling icon in the toolbar on the left. Next, click the Price List tab. Expand your price list and locate the price list that you'd like to change the settings on, and click the Edit button next to it. In the price list settings, scroll down until you get to the individual products list. Above this, you'll see the Smart Pricing option. Once turned on, if you check the option for auto updates, the engine will check once a month against the previously mentioned criteria and adjust your prices accordingly to ensure that your pricing is always up to date. After turning on Smart Pricing, if you click the Expand All button, you'll notice that the Smart Price column is populated with a preset set of numbers. These numbers have been calculated based off of the previously mentioned criteria. To override a Smart Price, all you have to do is change the price in the Selling Price column to another price that you would like. Once you do this, the price in the Selling Price column will override the price in the Smart Price column. It's important to note that the Smart Pricing engine is enabled by default in all price lists and all accounts. However, any price lists in your account that may have already had their selling prices set manually will not be impacted by this feature being enabled, and those manually set prices will override what the Smart Pricing engine is suggesting. For further assistance, please contact our helpful support team at support@zenfolio.com or visit our support center for more information.